Oh wow! What star wasn't at the Hand-in-Hand Hurricane Benefit Telethon live from New York City? And according to the New York Post page 6, the benefit superstar power paid off, raising at least $14.5 million for both Hurricane Harvey victims in Texas, as well as those devastated by Hurricane Irma in Florida and the Caribbean. Everyone from Bruce Willis, Jamie Foxx, Robert DeNiro, Tracy Morgan, Catherine Zeta-Jones, Leonardo DiCaprio, Al Pacino, Karlie Kloss, Matt Lauer, and many, many more all teamed up to both entertain donors and encourage more financial contributions. Page 6 reports that Jamie Foxx says, "We're here to raise money, lift some spirits. When tough times hit, this is who we are. We're compassionate, we're unstoppable." We're not sure if we've seen this many A-list celebrities in one spot since, well, the Oscars. But unlike that award show, this event was much more helpful and a lot less self-serving. Splash News TV. We keep up with a lot more than just the Kardashians. Subscribe and like us. You know you want to.